Hey guys, this is part 2 of me playing Islands, and I'm gonna finish up making my little workshop area because I saw this person, they had a good idea, like making this cute little workshop place. So, if you haven't seen part 1 yet, you should go check it out because it's really cool. I guess I could do, instead of instead of the wood fence, I can do bamboo. But, I don't know. 50 wood, let's go. Craft my coloring table that I've been wanting.
Wait, where did all my flowers go?
What do you mean? You didn't. You said you didn't have any.
No, I had a whole row right here.
What? That's weird. They were there yesterday.
I know.
Okay, I have 4, so now I'm gonna need to chop down some more wood. Wait, maybe. I don't know what it... I don't know. Let's go see. Oh, I need to put my workbench back out. I'll just do this
It's a
one.
stupid game. I can't play this. It's...
Yeah, wood planks. Okay. Wow, that only made 10.
I'm gonna play Build a Boat.
Well, that's good. I'll play that with you in the next video. If you guys didn't hear that, but we're gonna play Build a Boat for treasure. Oh my gosh, I can't even make it over there. For treasure in the next video.
And it might be on my channel.
Yeah, so go check that out.
And Travi Happy.
Hmm.
Are you gonna put the link in the description?
I already did, but I will again.
Are you making a shop area?
Yeah.
Forgot that I was a royal member.
Oh, I like this so far. I think I need to do one more.
What the heck? This isn't fun. What did they do to the game?
It's still loading.
Oh.
For a second there, I forgot what I was doing.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's get my sawmill and tier 2.
Okay.
I'm just gonna place them wherever because they're not gonna stay there forever. Wait, what kind of wood is that? No, I don't want hickory wood. They changed it. They like updated the whole thing. Now, let's see.
I'm gonna go pick
Sticks. Oh my gosh, it takes only... Okay, that's it. Actually, that's not the only ones that I need. 2. Okay, let's go.
Oh, yes, I want to load this.
Let's finish my hut. Oh, not right there. I'll just put it right here. And then fix that. Since I made the coloring station, I'm going to
I can't play in here. It's broken.
Yeah, just play on your iPad.
I'll be right back.
Alright, I'm just gonna do it red. No. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. This is so annoying. What? Oh, I thought, because I was looking at the clay and it's blue. So. Alright, now that I have 53 blocks, let's make some iron blocks.
I have 100 iron something.
Oh, that's good. Nope, I need a higher workbench. Let's just get the tier 3 out. I'll just make as many as I can. Oh, wow, that actually was a lot. Can't even make one.
How many did you make?
I don't know, like, okay, I only made like 20. But I think that'll be enough. Oh my god! Oh, okay, so what I was thinking, no, that'll just be its own thing. Never mind. So what I'm doing is it's gonna be like a pattern. Like the one over there on my shop. Let's invite some more people. Whoa, I need to invite everyone.
Sure, I lost control.
This is, I like making the patterns. I think I might need some more of the iron blocks. But that's okay. Wait, how much iron do I have? Only 9? I had so much iron, but I sold it at the village area.
How much iron is that?
Yeah, no, like 10,000. I just like haven't been using it, but I do it for giveaways. Or I sell it for $1. Or like put it in the vendings. Okay, let's go. What? No, not right there. What the heck? Why won't it go there? I think the tree's in the way. Yep, it was the tree. You know what? I'll just put
I found out another hack.
Right here. I just want to give everyone the heads up that I'm recording. So, they know. Oops, I forgot to put an iron block there.
Yes, I love this one. This one's really cool.
You didn't see that. Definitely did not be stupid and put one on the floor. Oops, I think I'm going over. I love islands a lot. Okay, yep, definitely needs more iron blocks. It takes so many, like look, it's 100 for just 10. Let's get some more iron. And let's try to make some more blocks. Because I need some more. Like, why do they have to make it 10 per iron? Oh my god. This is so much. Okay, now I have 20. I think that'll be enough. Yeah, I think it will. Oops. Let's go. Guys, I might need to make a part 3. This process is, oh my gosh, definitely longer than I thought it would be. So, yeah, I might need to make a part 3. Okay, that's the roof. Actually, I don't think I need.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Look.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go get all the stuff. And if I don't have like enough room for everything, I'll just put some over here.
Yes, that's perfect.
What are you building?
Look. I made it.
Oh, I have the honeycomb things.
That's it.
I don't even know why that's there. Like, come on.
Super boy.
Let's put these away because I do not need them. I just want to harvest these. I don't know why everyone raves about starfruit seeds. They're not that good.
Kinda. They're kinda good.
What the heck? Dora. Okay. Now we'll just. No, I don't want to use that. Now let's go over here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for the results of this. Hopefully I'll have enough time to finish the video. Okay, let's... Oh, I thought I had 2 vendings. It looked weird. And what sawmill? Why do they look so small? Oh no.
Oh yeah, perfect.
And I need these too. Okay, and we'll put this. I don't know if I like that right there. No, it's okay. I'm gonna get this and move this.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to put them as close together as I can. Put the food together. Well, like coloring and food. I don't know.
I need to make it out of a strong material like gold.
That looks good. I don't think I'll have enough room for everything. I'm gonna adjust it. And it's all about like adjusting and putting stuff where you want it to be, because it doesn't all have to be perfect. So okay. Workbench tier 2. Ew, I don't like how it is. I don't know. I don't know what you just said. Sorry, buddy. You okay? Okay. No, I don't know. I'm gonna put the washing station by the food and stuff. But that's the final product, guys. Well, actually, I'm gonna put a little sign. No. Well, yeah. Let's just put workshop. Like that. You can't even like barely see it. But it looks good. I'm so excited. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye. See you in the next video of us playing Build a Boat for Treasure.